Yo, what's up, everyone? Today, we're breaking down the slang term GM. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, GM is a casual greeting meaning good morning, or sometimes it can mean general manager, depending on the context. People use it when starting conversations early in the day or when referring to someone's job title. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. GM first showed up in the 2010s on Twitter and gaming chats. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among online communities and gamers. Now let's check out how to use GM in a sentence. Correct example 1. I always say GM to my friends when I wake up early for work. Correct example 2. Hey, GM everyone. Ready to start the raid? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said GM at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using GM right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. GM means a casual greeting of good morning or general manager. It started in online gaming and social media, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with GM in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.